Hey Globetrotters! Welcome back to Curious Chronicles by Prabhu. Today we're taking you on a whirlwind tour across continents to uncover some fun and lesser-known facts about countries and travel destinations. Fasten your seatbelts, keep your sense of adventure handy, and get ready to be amazed. Our very first stop is Japan, where ancient traditions meet futuristic innovations. This fascinating country is a blend of the old and the new, where you can find serene temples standing tall amidst the bustling cityscape. Amidst Tokyo's neon lights, you'll find vending machines dispensing everything from hot meals to clothing. These machines are a testament to Japan's ingenuity and convenience culture. Picture this. You've worked up an appetite exploring the vibrant city. Instead of searching for a restaurant, you simply stroll up to a vending machine and select a steaming bowl of ramen. It's a quick, efficient, and uniquely Japanese experience. Japan's vending machines cater to every craving, offering everything from hot meals to umbrellas, fresh produce, and even clothing. These machines are not just about convenience. They reflect the country's innovative spirit and attention to detail. But the culinary adventures don't stop there. Japan's street food scene is equally impressive, with a variety of flavors and textures that will tantalize your taste buds. Japan is renowned for its Kit Kat chocolate bars in unique flavors like wasabi and soy sauce. These quirky treats are a must-try for any visitor, offering a sweet and surprising twist on a familiar favorite. In Japan, slurping your noodles isn't considered rude, it's a sign of appreciation. This cultural nuance adds to the immersive dining experience, making every meal an adventure. So ditch your table manners and slurp to your heart's content. Embrace the local customs and enjoy your meal the way the Japanese do. From its technological marvels to its culinary delights, Japan offers a sensory journey like no other. The country's ability to seamlessly blend tradition with modernity creates an environment that is both exciting and comforting. So, pack your bags, embrace the unexpected, and prepare to be captivated by the wonders that await in this enchanting land. Whether you're exploring ancient temples or marveling at cutting-edge technology, Japan promises an unforgettable adventure. From Japan, we journey to Italy, a country synonymous with romance, art, and culinary masterpieces. Italy is a land where history and modernity blend seamlessly, creating a unique tapestry of experiences that captivate the heart and soul. Our exploration begins in Venice, a city that seems to float upon the water. Known for its intricate network of canals and stunning architecture, Venice is a place where every corner tells a story. Here, amidst the charming bridges and colorful palazzos, we uncover a legacy of innovation often overlooked. Venice is not just a city of beauty, but also a hub of creativity and ingenuity. Italy gave birth to inventions like the thermometer, spectacles, and the typewriter. These innovations have had a profound impact on the world, showcasing Italy's contribution to science and technology. But let's not forget the culinary contributions. Italian cuisine is renowned worldwide, and each region offers its own unique flavors and specialties. In Veneto, a delectable creation was born, tiramisu. This beloved dessert, with its layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers and mascarpone cheese, is a true testament to Italian culinary artistry. As you wander through Rome's bustling markets, remember that Italy is best experienced through its flavors. The vibrant markets are a sensory delight, offering a plethora of fresh produce, cheeses, and cured meats. Indulge in a scoop of gelato, its creamy texture and intense flavors a testament to Italian culinary excellence. Each bite is a journey through the rich traditions of Italian dessert making. From its ancient ruins and Renaissance masterpieces to its charming towns and delectable cuisine, Italy is a feast for the senses. The country's rich history and cultural heritage are evident in every corner, from the majestic Colosseum to the serene vineyards of the countryside. So, pack your bags, embrace the Italian zest for life, and embark on a journey that will ignite your soul and tantalize your taste buds. Whether you're exploring historic landmarks or savoring a delicious meal, Italy promises an unforgettable adventure. Leaving Italy, we journey to Morocco, a land of dramatic contrasts and rich cultural heritage. From the towering Atlas Mountains to the vast stretches of the Sahara Desert, Morocco's landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking. The architecture here tells stories of ancient civilizations and modern influences, blending seamlessly to create a unique tapestry of history and culture. Our Moroccan adventure begins in Rabat, where history comes alive within the ancient walls of the Cella. This historic site, once a thriving Roman city and later a medieval Muslim necropolis, now stands as a testament to the passage of time and the layers of history that have shaped this land. As the weather warms, the Cella becomes a sanctuary for storks. These majestic birds, with their long legs and graceful wings, find refuge among the ruins, creating a striking contrast between nature and history. Imagine strolling through the ruins, the sun casting long shadows, as hundreds of storks nest atop the crumbling walls. The air is filled with the sounds of their calls, adding a living soundtrack to this ancient setting. But Morocco's allure extends far beyond its natural wonders. The vibrant marketplaces, or souks, are a feast for the senses, where artisans craft traditional items with skills passed down through generations. Each piece tells a story of its own, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of this land. This is a land steeped in storytelling, where ancient tales are passed down through generations. From the legendary tales of Aladdin to the rich oral traditions shared at cultural festivals, storytelling is woven into the very fabric of Moroccan life. In Marrakech's Medina, the air thick with the scent of spices, remember that you are walking through the pages of history. The bustling Jama El Fna Square is a living theater, where performers, vendors, and storytellers come together to create a vibrant tapestry of life. Every corner you turn holds the potential for adventure, a chance to uncover the hidden gems and untold stories that lie at the heart of Morocco. The narrow streets and hidden alleyways of the Medina invite exploration, promising new discoveries at every turn. So, pack your bags, embrace the unexpected, and prepare to be captivated by the wonders that await in this enchanting land. Whether you're drawn by the history, the culture, or the natural beauty, Morocco promises an unforgettable journey filled with stories waiting to be told. From Morocco, we venture to Iceland, a land sculpted by fire and ice. Our Icelandic adventure begins amidst the geothermal wonders of Geysir, where boiling hot springs erupt from the earth. But Iceland's wonders extend beyond its geological marvels. This is a land where folklore and reality intertwine. In Iceland, belief in elves or Huldufolk is deeply ingrained in the culture. These mythical beings are said to inhabit the rocks and hills. There have been instances where road construction projects have been altered to avoid disturbing potential elf habitats. After a day of exploring Iceland's natural wonders, you might find yourself craving a warm drink. Ordering a Black Death at a local pub will get you a potent shot of Brennivin, a traditional Icelandic schnapps. Just be warned, while it might not be the plague, it can certainly leave you with a memorable morning after. Our final destination is Australia, a country known for its diverse wildlife, stunning landscapes, and laid-back attitude. Our Australian adventure begins in the outback, home to iconic creatures like the kangaroo. Kangaroos outnumber humans in Australia, hopping their way across the landscape with their distinctive gait. But Australia's quirks extend beyond its unique wildlife. This is a country with a sense of humor, where you might find yourself driving down a street named Ho Hum or Little St. And then there's Vegemite, the salty, yeast-based spread that is a national treasure. Australians have embraced this unique spread, celebrating its distinctive flavor and versatility. No trip to Australia would be complete without a visit to Uluru, a massive sandstone monolith that rises dramatically from the heart of the outback. Uluru is sacred to the local Aboriginal people, and its spiritual significance is palpable as you stand in its shadow. Well, folks, ready to pack your bags yet? These fun and lesser-known facts are just the tip of the iceberg. Whether you're planning your next trip or dreaming from home, there's always more to discover. Our planet is a treasure trove of wonders, each destination offering a unique glimpse into the diversity of cultures, landscapes, and experiences that make our world so extraordinary. So, keep your sense of adventure alive, embrace the unknown, and never stop exploring the magic that awaits just beyond your doorstep. If you loved this globetrotting journey, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for our next adventure. Happy exploring, one fact at a time.